Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Girl on Guitar. We have 21 Pilots, not the newest song here, maybe 2 weeks old or so, but I don't want to miss out on 21 Pilots. This one is called Robot Voices, cool song. We have different tempo and strumming patterns in this, a little bit challenging. Let's go into this one. And as you can see, clean on the fretboard, and we're gonna go through the chords. From now on, let's start with D minor. Okay, so D minor is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord is the F, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there, all you can, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Let's move on to A minor, and A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have E minor in the pre-chorus, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We gotta have C in the chorus later, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then also in the outro later on, we have the CB chord. So it comes from the C chord, you go over to CB. What I do here, I just place just a different bass to it. So that will be second fret A string. That's where the B comes from, the B note. And then you can continue with second D, open G, first B, and open E. And there we have it, chorus, guys. Let's go into the first verse, and we need to learn the strumming pattern here. So it starts with D minor. Grab that one, and one round goes down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. That is one round. So that's the tempo, and a couple of rounds. Alright, so the verse goes D minor, 4 string rounds, F4, A minor 4, and G4. And you do that for 3 full rounds. Let's do a round together like this. Alright, that's one round. You triple up to 3 rounds, and that's the first verse. Then into the pre-chorus, we hit that later on at 1 minute and 16 seconds in. And I believe that's where you're on the lyrics. You're gonna play F, 4 string rounds, the same, and then G, 4, A minor 4, and E minor 4. You're gonna play it only this one round. Let's do it together. And that will take us to the first chorus. 1 minute and 28 seconds in. Okay, so now we have a different strumming here. So the chord progression will be D minor, A minor, C, and G. So you have the D minor and A minor. You're gonna use one strumming pattern for that, and then you're gonna use the same pattern for the next 2 chords, C and G. Okay, so let's look at the first transition here from D minor to A minor. You're gonna play like this. Okay, something like that. Okay, so the idea here is to play D minor, down, up, and then try to mute right after the down, up on D minor. And you can do that in different ways. You can place a little finger in front of the chord you're holding, so in this case the little pinky, or you can also use your strumming hand to lean it on top of the strings and kill the sound. In any way you want to mute it, so down, up, and mute, and that's it for the D minor. So like that, and then you go over to A minor and play the same to start with. So down, up, and then you mute it in the same way as D minor and play another down, up. And if you can play that a little bit muted as well. So pretty much keep that mute on there with the little pinky or so in front of the chord and play down, up, down, up. Okay, so that will be the A minor together like this. Okay, you will have some noise, some sound from the strings, but have it muted if you can, the last down, up, down, up. So together, D minor and A minor slowly goes like this. Okay, and then apply the same principle on the next two chords, C and G. So C is played in the same way as D minor, down, up, mute, and then G, down, up, mute, down, up. So like this. Okay, and that is one round. You're gonna play 4 rounds of this, so let's go 1 round or 2 together. Okay, so that's the chorus play. And you finished 1 round. Let's go back to the second round of everything. You know what? That is just repetition. Verse play, pre-chorus, chorus, played exactly in the same way as we just learned. Then we hit the final parts here, and we're gonna go into the outro. You played the second chorus and play now the outro right after. And you're gonna continue the chorus play for another 4 rounds. So you play the second chorus and then go into the outro and play another 4 rounds of the chorus play. And after that, you're gonna play the final parts of the song, and we're gonna go now with a pattern that is played 2 downs on the first chord and 3 downs on the second chord. Okay, so that will be C, 2 downs on the C, and you go then to the next chord, C, B, and play 3 downs. And you go now to the A minor and play 2 downs. And then to G, 3 downs. And then to D minor, 2 downs. And then to F, 3 downs. And then you finish off with G and play both the 2 downs and the 3 downs. And all this considered 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. You play 2 rounds of this: C, C, B, A minor, G, D minor, F, G. And then you finish off with 1 down on beautiful F. And guess what, guys? You finished the 21 Pilots song called Robot Voices. Cool song. Always cool songs from 21 Pilots. So if you're a fan of them, make sure you'll be back here for next upload. I think I'm gonna have them coming back very, very soon. So hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.